Hey everyone, if you want to make this beautiful purple wall collage like me, but you don't have enough money to buy stickers, so I found a way. And the most simplest way is to take a colorful printout like this, you can see here. And one thing I want to tell you that at the end of the video, I give you a surprise. So make sure to watch till the end.
I wear that perfume, you know, the one that you bought me. Every time you come around, I know that you will love it. Come and make some good times, forget about the bad times. Baby, can't make up my mind and I know you get impatient. You say I'm not in love. You say that I'm daydreaming, baby. Well, if I'm daydreaming, then come get some sleep with me. Don't worry about it. Please don't be frantic. You are my love. You are my.
You a real nigga, main one. You was there before I came up. It's evident how you feel about the fella, you ain't gotta say nah. You keep it A1, solidify like a day one. Lightweight in love with you just to be straight up. Tucked off in the loft, bullin', we be laid up. Late nights at the studio, you be waiting up, tryna stay up. Hey, fuck all that makeup, little booty but she caked up. I'ma wake up and then quake some, wake up and then quake some. I lit your wrists up, then I went and lit your chain up. I just pray you never change up.
Yep guys, your surprise is here. Just go and check it out description section where I attach this PDF of collage, so you'll not bother anymore to search here and there. So just check it out. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye.